All right, thank you so much. So today we will do some mixed questions on vectors in 3D, which are in previous year papers of JEE, Mains in Advance. All right, so start with this question. Very good question asked in 2021-17 March shift 2. Let x be a vector in the plane containing this and this. If the vector x is perpendicular to this and its projection on vector A is 17 root 6 by 2, then the value of magnitude of x whole square is equal to. Give it a try. I give you a couple of minutes to attempt, then we'll solve it. Yes, quickly. X be a vector in the plane of these two. So let's start. This is a very, very good question. Any idea, Vedant? Would you like to suggest something? Vedant, Sivamani, Bhagat? Bhagat? Any idea anybody would like to present? See, whenever they say, go step by step. X be a vector in the plane containing this and this. So if there is a vector in the plane of two given vectors, that means it will be in the linear combination of these two vectors. That means you can write this vector x as lambda times vector A plus mu times vector B. Lambda and mu are some scalars. All right. So that means this vector x will be lambda times 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap plus mu times I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So it is 2 lambda plus mu I cap minus lambda plus 2 mu j cap plus lambda minus mu k cap. Am I correct? This is your vector x. Now, second condition they are providing you that this vector x is perpendicular to this vector. If it is perpendicular to this vector, that means vector x dot 3 I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap has to be 0. Now with this relation, you will get a equation in lambda and mu. So if I do the dot product, that is thrice of 2 lambda plus mu plus 2 times minus lambda plus 2 mu minus of lambda minus mu is going to be 0. So 6 lambda and minus 3 lambda will be 3 lambda, 3 mu plus 4, 7 mu and 1, 8 mu. 3 lambda plus 8 mu equals to 0. This is the first relation we got. Now, second condition is its projection means x projection on vector A is 17 root 6 by 2. So projection of x on A upon magnitude of A. This is the projection of a vector on another vector. So x dot a upon magnitude of a. This is given as 17 root 6 upon 2. So what is x dot a? X dot a is going to be 2 lambda plus mu into 2 plus minus lambda plus 2 mu into minus 1 plus lambda minus mu into 1 upon magnitude of A. Magnitude of A is root 6. So this is going to be 17 root 6 upon 2. Am I correct? Fair enough? So it is 4 lambda, 5 lambda minus lambda. So 6 lambda, 2 mu minus 2 mu 0 minus mu. 6 lambda minus mu is going to be 6 goes to the right side, 17 into 6 by 2, 51. So we got two equations in lambda and mu. So one is 3 lambda plus 8 mu equals to 0. Other is 6 lambda minus mu is 51. If you solve these two equations, one is 6 lambda minus mu is 51. I multiply second equation by 2. So 6 lambda plus 16 mu is going to be 0. If you subtract both of them, so minus 17 mu is 51. So you got mu as minus 3. So mu minus 3, that means lambda is going to be 8. Got it? And with this lambda and mu, vector x is going to be 2 lambda plus mu. So 8 to the 16 minus 3. 13 I cap, then 2 mu minus lambda. So minus 8 minus 6 minus 14 j cap plus lambda minus mu means plus 11 k cap. So what are they asking you? They are asking you magnitude of x whole square. So magnitude of x square is going to be 169 plus 196 plus 121. If you add all of them, you are going to get 486. This is your answer. Am I correct? Bhagat, understood? Everybody got it? How about other champs? Sivamani? Sure. Anyways, now move to this question. Very good question once again. A and B be two non-zero vectors perpendicular to each other and magnitude A is equals to magnitude of B. If magnitude of A cross B is magnitude A, then the angle between the vectors A plus B plus A cross B and A is equals to. Yes, give it a try. Then we will launch the poll. Yes, please, please, please. Okay, I'll just launch a poll for 1 minute. If you have tried it, mark your answer. Yes. All right. Two student marked answer B. May I know who has marked B? Anybody? Who marked B? Bhagat, did you? See, A and B are two non-zero vectors perpendicular to each other. Now, first of all, let's write down the condition given to us. Magnitude A is magnitude B, and this is also magnitude of A cross B, and vector A is perpendicular to vector B. This is given to me. Got it? From this condition, I can say magnitude A, magnitude B, sine theta, which is 90 degree, is equals to magnitude of A. So that means magnitude of B is going to be 1. That is also magnitude A going to be 1. Now A and B are mutually perpendicular vectors, unit vectors I should say. A and B are perpendicular unit vectors. Now can't I assume let vector A is I cap, B is j cap, and A cross B is I cap cross j cap, which is going to be k cap best. Yes or no? So angle between cos theta, that is angle between vector A plus B cross A plus A cross B and A, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot A is I cap you assumed upon magnitude of vector A plus B plus A cross B root 3, magnitude of A is 1. So answer you got as 1 by root 3. Clear? So angle is cos inverse 1 upon root 3. Very simple, sober, easy question. Now let's go. Try this one. ABCB unit vectors such that magnitude of A minus B whole square plus magnitude of A minus C whole square is 8. Find the value of A plus 2B whole square plus A plus 2C whole square is. Quickly do. Yes, yes. See again, this is simple question. From this given condition, what I will do, magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 magnitude A magnitude B cos theta. I assume angle between A and B is theta plus magnitude of A square plus magnitude of C square minus, it will also be minus 2 magnitude A magnitude C cos phi. This is given as 8. And let us assume angle between A and C is phi. So from this, see A and B both are unit vector. So 4 minus 2 times cos theta plus cos phi is 8. So cos theta plus cos phi is 8 minus 4, 4 by 2, 2 which will be minus 2. Got it? As such, it is quite clear that both theta and phi has to be minus. Now they are asking for magnitude of A plus 2B whole square plus magnitude of A plus 2C whole square. So this is going to be mod A square plus 4 times mod B square plus 2 mod A 2 mod B. Angle between A and B is going to be cos theta plus mod A square plus 4 times mod C square plus 2 magnitude A 2 magnitude C cos phi. So see 1, 4, 5, 1 and 4, 5, 5 and 5, 10 plus 4 common, it became cos theta plus cos phi. Now cos theta plus phi is minus 2. So 10 plus 4 times minus 2, this answer is going to be 2. Am I clear? So very easily we can find, even we can separately find theta and phi. Got it? Now, try this one. A and B are perpendicular vectors, then A cross A cross A cross A cross B is equals to half of magnitude AB, magnitude A cross B, and whatever. See, try it. Yes, yes, please. Option 3, all right. Anybody else? See, we will start expanding from this side. So it is A cross A cross. Now use the vector triple product. It will be A dot B vector A minus A dot A vector B. correct? Now we will multiply this another A. So A cross, now it will become A dot B into A cross A minus A dot A into A cross B, correct? Now because of this entire term will go 0, right? So now it becomes A cross minus magnitude A square into A cross B. Now this magnitude A square came outside, so it became A cross B. Got it? So this is minus of magnitude A square. Now again expand A dot B vector A minus A dot A vector B. Got it? This A dot B is 0. Why? Because A and B are perpendicular vectors. So what you are left with? Minus magnitude A square minus magnitude A square vector B. So it became magnitude A to the power 4 vector B. Yes, whoever answered C is correct. Got it? Well, now try this one. If the volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are given by vectors A, B, and C is 158 cubic unit, then A dot C, B dot C, whatever there is, they are asking you. So, how do I get the volume of parallelepiped? I told you scalar triple product. This box A, B, C. This is what volume of parallelepiped. And if we are to find the volume of tetrahedron, it is 1/6 of box ABC, isn't it? So box ABC is going to be determinant 1, 1, n, 2, 4, minus n, 1, n, 3. They have given you this is equals to 158. Am I correct? So this is one time, and the volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are given by this. See, magnitude also I have to use. Fine, but see, I'm not using it right now. We'll see later on. So it is one time 12 plus n square minus one time 6 plus n plus n times 2n minus 4. This is given as 158. So 12 plus n square minus 6 minus n plus 2n square minus 4n is 158. Correct? So it is going to be 3n square minus 5n minus 158, 152. 12 minus 6, yes, 152 equals to 0. Got it? Now 152 into 3, factors of this. 152 is 76 into 2. That is 76, 38 into 4. That is 38 into 2 into 2. 19 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 24 and 19. So it is 3n square minus 24n plus 19n minus 152 equals to 0. From this 3n common, you got n minus 8. 19 common, you got n minus 8 equals to 0. So 3n plus 19 into n minus 8 equals to 0. So one value of n is going to be 8. Am I correct? So value of this n is 8. So with this, you are getting A as I cap plus j cap plus 8k cap, B as 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 8k cap. So A dot B though they have not even asked. C is I cap plus 8j cap plus 3k cap. What is A dot C? A dot C is 24, no. B dot C, 2 plus 32, 34 minus 24. Yes, Bombay is the correct answer. Got it? Very good. Now, try this one. The magnitude of the projection of vector this on the vector perpendicular to the plane containing this and this is magnitude of the projection of this vector on the vector perpendicular to the plane containing this and this. Yes, quickly try. First of all, find a vector perpendicular to the plane containing this and this. So see, there is a vector, there is a plane I should say, which is already containing two vectors. One is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Say another is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Got it? Now there is a vector n which is perpendicular to both of them. Means I cap plus j cap plus k cap and I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So if this vector is perpendicular to both of them, means it is perpendicular to their cross product. Am I clear? So that is determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is with I cap 3 minus 2, 1, with minus j cap 2, with plus k cap 1. So it is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now you have to find the projection of the given vector this 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap on this vector. So projection is going to be what? Their dot product 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap dot I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap upon magnitude of the vector on which projection is being taken, means magnitude of this. So magnitude, so this will be 2 minus 6 plus 1 upon root 6. So it is 3 by root 6. 3 by root 6 is basically under root of 3 by 2. So fourth is the correct answer. Am I correct? And this is a very simple question, very simple. Got it? Now, try this one. Vector A, vector B and vector C are coplanar vectors. Then the non-zero vector A cross B is what? Yes, how to do? So if these three vectors are coplanar, that means the volume of the parallelepiped formed by them is going to be 0. Yes or no? That means the value of the determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, 1, 2, sorry. Directly determinant will make the coefficients 1, 2, 4, 1, lambda, 4, and 2, 4, lambda square minus 1. This has to be 0. Correct? So if I expand it, I get 1 time lambda cube minus lambda minus 16 minus 2 times lambda square minus 1 minus 8 plus 4 times 4 minus 2 lambda. This is going to be 0. Got it? So it is lambda cube minus lambda minus 16 minus 2 lambda square minus 1 minus 8 minus 9 to plus 18 plus 16 minus 8 lambda is going to be 0. So it is lambda cube minus 2 lambda square minus 8 lambda, this 16 cancel, plus 18 equals to 0. Now see, lambda equals to 2, 8 and 18, 18 and 8, 26, and 8 and 16, 16 and 8, 20. Lambda equals to 2 should be a root. Because see, lambda equals to 2 satisfying this determinant 0. So I'll check it again. 1 time lambda cube minus lambda minus 16 minus 2 times lambda square minus 1 minus 8, 19, 4 times 4 minus 2 lambda. So it becomes lambda cube minus lambda and minus, so it will be minus 9 lambda. That's what I'm thinking. Minus of 9 lambda. Now it's fine. If you take lambda square common, I get lambda minus 2. Take minus 9 common, I get lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So you get lambda square minus 9 into lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Got it? So lambda ki 3 values I obtained, 2 and 3 and minus 3. Now they are asking for then the non-zero vector A cross C. See, if I take lambda as 3 or minus 3, your vector, if lambda is square, I take 9, your vector C is going to be 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 8 k cap. That is 2 common I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. So it is 2 times vector A. So if I take lambda as 3 or minus 3, A cross C, A and C are parallel and their cross product is definitely going to be 0. Correct? That means what? That means this lambda has to be 2. These both are rejected. So your lambda is 2. So with this lambda, your I cap A is I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap, and your B is 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 3k cap. Now you can find their cross product and get your answer. Am I clear? Vedant, understood? Sure. Try this one. If a unit vector A makes angle pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with j cap, and theta with k cap, then a value of theta is. Yes, give it a try. Yes, quickly do.